Hello everyone, this is Vishwa Jhala Mankodi. I am HR Admin Head at Spark CNC Services. Established in the year 2010, we are amongst the most trusted companies in CNC machine tools field. We are into marketing and servicing of CNC machines and related products. We are one-stop solution for CNC machines and related spares. We procure these spares from reliable vendors and provide them to the customers after stringent market analysis in stipulated time frame. We have a very good technically sound service team which can provide solution for almost all kinds of CNC machine related problems. The team is led by the two partners, Mr. Darpan Mankodi and Mr. Nirav Kumar Patel, who are also technically very sound and they have hands-on experience on almost all kinds of CNC machines.
Hello everyone, I am Darpan Mankodi, partner at Spark CNC Services. We are authorized channel partner and dealers for the indigenous and imported machine tools brand like Goodway Corporation and Kasuga Seki from Taiwan, Pride Machine Tools, Suyad Machine Tools and Hardik CNC from India. We do sales and service for these brands and providing service for the other CNC machine tools brands on topmost priority and providing excellent service for these brands. We are covering AMCs for some of these brands also. We have covered 28 machines AMC for our one of renowned client since last 12 years. We are taking contract for shutdown maintenance activity at automobile manufacturing companies too. We are very famous for the providing strong technical support in lowest minimum response time and action time to our customers. To ensure this accurate and prompt support, we have a team of front-end service engineers, back-end team and two partners.
Hello everyone, myself Nirav Patel. I am partner at Spark CNC Services. Apart from CNC machine tool sales and services, we are also dealing in retrofitting and automation projects as well as trading of industrial goods. For projects, we have till today served many industries like renewable sector, glass and metal cutting as well as grinding industries also. In trading of automation packages and industrial goods, we are giving automation packages like PLC, CNC, HMI, servo packages for different well-known brands like Fanuc, Mitsubishi, Siemens, Delta, Fuji, Omron and many more. Also for mechanical and electrical consumable parts, we are dealing in spindle bearings, power chuck, cylinders, lubrication units, waterproof machine lights as well as limit switches, sensors and many more.
The reason for participation in the NG Expo is that it is a common platform for both the buyers and the sellers for their requirements. With the participation, we intend to cater our services to the Ahmedabad and Rajkot markets, which are potential market for our field. We would like to open our branches at both these locations after the exhibition, and hence NG Expo will be the first step to get in touch with the potential buyers in these regions.